to the historical first ever Pakistani Heritage Month celebration in the One Police Plaza. First and foremost, I would like to thank Honorable Mayor Adam. Thank you, sir. First Deputy Commissioner, Police Commissioner Chania Kinsella, thank you. Chief of Department, Jeffrey Mabry. And it's honor for me to say he was my first commanding officer when I got the job at 7-5. So none of that. And also, one person I would like to acknowledge, which we acknowledged last year, but I think it's important because today is a special day. Commissioner Kaz Daughtry. I want every Pakistani, not just every Pakistani, every Muslim, in not only New York City, New York State, but in the United States of America, remember this. We all know last year we lost one of our brother, Adib Fayaz. His family sitting with us. That time, we had the Azan. Prayer service outside of the mosque on the Colonial Avenue, on open mic speakers. And I want to say about Commissioner Kaz, he helped the New York City to get it official now. Every Friday, Muslim can say the prayer loudly on a speaker. Thank you, sir. And this is not it. In few days, we're going to welcome Ramadan. And Ramadan, if some of you guys don't know, after Maghrib prayer, is allowed legally to say the Azan prayer after Maghrib so you can break your fast. That's also credit goes to Commissioner Kaz Daughtry. And he honored that Azan to our hero, Adib Fayaz, last year. And that's so great of him. We also have some very special guests today. The reason I'm saying the historical light, we have Pakistani ambassador to the United States, Ambassador Masood Khan, sitting with us. Thank you, sir. I'm not going to mention how many meetings, but we have a lot of meetings that get cancelled because of this event. I really appreciate it, sir. Thank you. Consul General of New York, Amir Ahmed Abazoi. Thank you, sir. And also, we have a press minister from the United Nations with us. Thank you. He's somewhere sitting here. He's on the back to come at the front. I also would like to acknowledge for tonight's event, Deputy Commissioner of Employer Relations, Commissioner Lisa White, Assistant Commissioner Kenneth Morgan, and the entire office, Special Narayan and Sergeant Dilio. I know you guys work really hard. Probably, I'm not going to say more than me, because you did work more than me for this event. Thank you very much. And of course, ceremonial unit. It was not possible without them. Last week, I also want to acknowledge the Commissioner Shepard and Assistant Commissioner Nevis. They welcomed the Pakistani media first time in the police headquarters. Thank you. It is an honor for PALS team to achieve this milestone of recognizing and celebrating first ever Pakistani Heritage Month. Congratulations to all the Pakistani Americans who live in the United States of America. Pakistani resolution was passed on March 23, 1940. Pakistani heritage culture is radically diverse and exists before the independence. Pakistan has 4 states and there are 70 to 80 languages spoken in Pakistan. And Urdu is Pakistan's national language. The reason we started this heritage to bring people of Pakistan together to be proud of who you are and where you came from, like we have a poster over here on the stage. People who know the PALS started in 2015 with 175 members. And now we have over 600 members, uniform members in NYPD. And we have over 1,000 members nationwide. And I want to acknowledge the PALS have 9 executives. The first ever Pakistani captain was Captain Rohail Khalid. He was promoted to captain back in 2016. He created the history, becoming the captain in 10 years in the police department. I think that's a record. We're proud of him. We also have a Transit District Security Commanding Officer, Asif, sitting with us. And we have Commanding Officer for 1 Precinct, Jahangir Ashraf, sitting at the back. We have a PI, he's not here today with us, he's on vacation. We have Captain Yasin Mobeen. This gentleman, this captain, he became #1 on the NYPD captain list. I think that's a proud moment. We're proud of him. And we have a Captain Rohail Khalid. The one captain I didn't mention, because he's one of our awardees today, Captain Ali Jubair. He was sergeant in ESU. He was the first Muslim Pakistani to become an ESU sergeant. Then promoted to lieutenant, he went back to ESU, and now, mashallah, he's the captain, he's back in ESU. We're proud of you, sir. As you see in the video early, PALS went to Pakistan for flood relief. We're proud to say that NYPD PALS, along with a helping hand, collected over $1 million worth of goods and sent in 5 containers to Pakistan for the flood victims. And now recently, we built 4 villages. Each state of Pakistan had 1 village. We opened another chapter in Houston last year, and this is the beginning for PALS. Soon, inshallah, we will open more chapters in Miami, Florida, Chicago, and I also like to acknowledge 4 people. The person who needed a sheep. He's a pride of our promise from Pakistan. I think some of the people know him. Amjad Hussain. Thank you, sir. We have a Pakistani actress sitting with us, Nilo Farabasi. Thank you for coming. We have a Pakistani tennis star, Naheed Bhatti here. Thank you. And special thanks to all the media channels, especially Pakistani channel. We really appreciate that. We are always here for communities and proud to say, never shy to say who you are and where you're from. We are proud Pakistani Americans. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Now it is honor for me to request the Mayor of New York City, Honorable Mayor Eric Adam.